we're gonna do something a bit different today with a bunch of fun random blind boxes. I don't usually get blind boxes specifically because I'm really picky, so I usually only really want one thing. So like these two that are here, I bought essentially pre-confirmed around the price of the actual blind box, which was nice and is unfortunately pretty rare to get. There's also a lot of them tend to have chasers, and sometimes I get really unlucky and the only one I really want. We have a few things. We have these two right here in front from Five Below. The rest are from KikaGoods, so we'll see what we get. We'll start with the Five Below ones because they're right here in front. The one I want most is Fifi, but I'd be happy with Reginald or Rosie as well, so let's see who we got. And we got... oh, yay! We got Reginald. So that's cool. He is very squishy. Okay, next. The Hello Kitty and Friends. Pom Pom Pern would be my first choice, but I'd also be happy with my Melody or Hello Kitty. Oh, and we got Hello Kitty. So that was good. Let's hope this luck continues. Gonna just clear out these things in the way. Alright. Go ahead and get her open real quick. It is very soft and cute. So we'll essentially just be grabbing these randomly. Let's move these forward and off to the side a bit. So let's see who we grab first. Alright, first we have this Lulu in Bloom box. This is one of those where I'll be happy with any of these. They're all really cute. So we'll see what we get. It's like stuck down there. Alright, I'm assuming this will tell us which one we get, so we'll look at that after we open the bag. We got this cute little piggy. Aww, look at her, all posing. Very cute. I guess we should grab the other Lulu one. Okay, now it's in hand, so since this is also Lulu, we'll go ahead and see what other pig we got. Like the first one, I honestly would be happy with any. They all look really cute. Aww. Very cute. And the cute little card. Getting tired. Next up is this one. It's a similar series to what this one is from. The top right one's probably my favorite, but they're honestly pretty fun because they rock, so. In this box would be the little pole arm. Ta-da! Let's see if we can get it in his hand. There you go. Ta-da! Boop-a-doop-boo. So now they can rock together. Hopefully I can get the other pink one eventually. Whee! This one does not rock as much. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. This cute one. I would say Plum Blossom is probably my favorite, but they're all pretty cute. Well, that just didn't want to break off at all. Let's see who we got. Oh! We got Orchid. I also did not realize they were pins. Very pretty though. Alright. Next, we have this cute hamster one. This is one where I'd be happy with honestly any of them, so. In general, I just like cute animals. Alright. So let's see who we got. It's dun, 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 this cute hamster on a ball. Aww. Cute little card. So we have one left before we get to the big box on the bottom. This one, I actually really want this pink one right in the front, essentially. Here, so you can see them all. That second one right there at the top, I think is really cute. It's unlikely I'll get it, unfortunately, but I really like it. These are cute, though. This is also a lot bigger than I thought it'd be. I would guess the biggest one here. So let's see what we get. Got it. Alright. Da-da. Please be pink. Make me very happy. Do-do-do-do. Moment of truth. No, we got this one. Still very cute though, but not pink. Very yellow. Little leaf tail. Oh, it came with a little sticker. Or is it like a little notepad? Oh, it's really cute either way. Finally, we have this box. And so, while like I said, I usually only want one. This was really interesting because I actually wanted all of the main ones. In fact, the only ones I don't like are the chasers. So in an ironic twist of fate, for this box, we're hoping to just get all the regular ones. Right, so here it is freed from the bubble wrap. There we go. So we're hoping for not the chaser. Mostly I especially just like these ones, but we'll see. Let's see what we get. We have to just get the plastic off now, because it's a full box. It is a very pretty box, so I'm hoping I do not ruin it. Alright. It has been freed, or, well, partially. I mean, the first part. Okay, now the part I'm scared to ruin. Alright. It's gotta pop the top out. Or I guess I can just open it and worry about that another time. Here we go. So we have 8 boxes. Let's hope for the best. Come on. Here we go. So we can see them better. So this is essentially the first 2 rows I really like. So that's what we're hoping for at the least. Anything else is great. Alright. So figure number 1 is jumping down. This one. Let's see, also comes with a stand. Get her on her stand. next one open. Let's see what we got next. Got this one. Very pretty. There we go. I like her design a lot. And I forgot to show the last one, but we'll go over them later. Alright, next up. So the next one is this cute little bunny girl. Very cute. She also comes with a cute little wand and a disentire stand. Alright, so here she is, free from her plastic. I love her design a lot. She's actually probably one of my top favorites, so they're all really cute. Obviously, considering I've got the whole thing. Ta-da! And here's her card. Also the card I forgot to show before. So let's get the next one open. Alright. Here's our next one. She's very pretty. You get her freed from her plastic now. She also comes with something to hold, so we'll get that out now. Go. Very cute. And now her stand. Okay, halfway done with these, and then that'll be it. Next up is this one. Ta-da! Okay, and so we're slowly setting them up in the next two cards. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab the next tree. There we go. So we have a little more space. Right. And we have a bit more room. Ta-da. So the next one is this one. It is also very cute. It's the first one on the list as well. Alright, so next one that we haven't done yet that we're hoping for is that one right there on the right. I did get at the very least the 5 I've wanted most. I also really like this one. There we go, those are the ones we're hoping for. These last two. Alright, so let's see who it is. Here we go, we got the one I was talking about. That's great. Okay, so he also comes with like, it looks like a little sword. It's very cute. So let's get everyone all open. Okay, here she is, free from her plastic. Put her down, we'll get her stand open. So after much trial and error, she has her sword now. Let's get her card. So with the final box, we are hoping for the final one I wanted. So fingers crossed. It is the moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. Yay! We got all the ones I wanted. Which I would really hope so, considering we got the box of everyone. And chasers are ridiculously rare because their entire concept is cruel. So thankfully I did not get the chaser because that's the only one I didn't want in this scenario. Come on, card. You can do it. There we go. Alright. Ta-da! As you see, they're all very cute. Let's go ahead and get everyone all set up. So here are all the ones from that set together. And now let's go ahead and show everything we ended up getting. Ta-da! Pride to victory, little knight. And thank you for watching and for 12,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it.